Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your country on ometv. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe. First, I will open ometv and as you can see, it automatically detects my current country. But I will show you a simple and effective way to change it. The first step is to close ometv and go to the Play Store. Now search for VPN Fast Proxy and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the VPN app. Now select the country you want to appear in and tap Connect. Once it's connected, go back and open ometv again. Now when you check the country settings, you will see the new location. Select it and enjoy. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.